fall in a cup.
It is. It's really good.
So we found ourselves in Chicago and we found this spot called the October Cafe, and it is a cafe that is October year-round. They've got this whole assortment of coffees and teas and some light foods, like different kinds of toast and waffles. I've seen some different kinds of sandwiches and stuff. But the thing we might be the most excited about is their fall flight. That's where you get to try all 4 of their different kinds of fall beverages. So we're gonna take you inside with us real quick to try some of them. Let's see what they got. Fall flight. Oh my goodness.
That looks amazing.
Thank you.
It tells you right here, so
Oh, that's cool. Oh, look.
It has a pumpkin
Inside.
the rest
Nice.
is coming up right now, okay?
Oh, very cool. Thanks.
That's amazing.
It is so adorable. Look how cute it is. So this is Cuddle Weather.
Which is what
What's
again?
this?
Let's see. So that's hot chocolate with hazelnut and caramel.
VP chai.
BP chai.
VP chai is honey bush pumpkin chai tea with milk, cinnamon and vanilla.
Maple Forest.
Maple forest latte with maple syrup, cinnamon powder, and cardamom.
And
Spice.
The PSL. Good old PSL.
PSL. That's where it's at.
Can't go wrong with a PSL in
Never,
June.
never. Which one we trying first?
Well, I guess save the PSL for last. So let's start on the left.
That one's. So they're different. Like this one's cold.
Yeah, we got
this
2 of
one's
them
cold.
hot, 2 of them ice. You can get either or.
That's pretty nice.
Was that one hot?
Yeah, good stuff.
Oh yeah. We're gonna just pass them around. Try it.
Get another one.
Get
I'll
it.
get 2 hot, the ones that you got iced, and I'll get 2 iced, the ones you got hot.
Okay.
That's the chocolate.
Do you want to do that?
That's the chocolate.
Oh, that's you, dear.
Oh,
That's
that's
me.
that's the cinnamon roll latte.
Breakfast.
Thank
It's a
you.
whole cinnamon roll.
That's awesome. I screwed up. No, that looks so good.
What's the?
That's the
what-
VP.
All right, VP chai.
But it's cinnamon, vanilla, honey bush, pumpkin chai, which is awesome.
Do you want to share?
Definitely got the cinnamon in there
That's
for
cool.
sure.
Might as well. It's with almond too.
Mine's is boring. It's just
Love the cinnamon
Americano.
chai.
Try
Nora's going for
iced
the
coffee.
cinnamon roll. Like the layers there.
That's really good.
My beard is probably full of frosting.
I don't know which one of those I like better. This is Maple Forest.
This is the Maple Forest. Got high hopes for this one. Got the maple thing going on.
I don't
It's nice and sweet.
quite taste the maple yet.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a little more subtle. Not overpowering.
No. It would taste really good with a maple donut though.
Is it it's got more of a coffee flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got cardamom. Maybe it would translate better hot.
Might. Yeah, that one might be that one's a cold one.
Okay. That one might.
That one and the chai were cold.
PSL. This is the one we're most excited about.
Going for the PSL.
With the pumpkin on the top. I'm so excited.
It'd be really cool. Again, because now we know the organization.
That was a hot one too, right? A hot PSL.
Like fall in a cup, for sure.
It's like fall in a cup.
It is. It's really good. And the pumpkin stayed.
You gotta be
that's
careful
really
not
good.
to disturb the pumpkin.
I need batches of that. It's really good. It's like calming.
That's very nice.
Really good.
It's very nice. Not too spicy. It's just right. Oh, here comes the food. Pumpkin waffle. Oh man. Oh
That
man.
is super cool.
Nice. On the patty mount.
Pumpkin toast.
Oh, it comes a little coffin.
Muffins.
Wow. What's in the coffin? Oh, tater tots.
That
Very
is
nice.
awesome.
Very cool. Thank you.
I love it. It's so cute. On there.
Yeah, they really thought that out, huh? Like it's got the seeds. Oh man, that's awesome. That's so cool.
So what is it? The pumpkin waffle.
Yeah, it's the waffle. So standard chocolate chip or pumpkin. So you got the pumpkin one.
It looks amazing.
Oh, sunflower butter.
Yeah.
It's the same thing but toast,
Oh,
right?
Okay. Yeah,
Basically,
so it's
yeah.
Pumpkin butter, pumpkin seeds, and sun butter.
Oh,
Yeah,
that pumpkin butter.
Yeah,
that's nice.
it
Do
hits
they
the spot.
sell that?
No way, really?
Like, do they?
I'm wondering.
Wow,
I'm
that's
wondering.
It's really good. Okay.
You're right. Yeah, that's really nice.
That's really nice.
That's really nice.
It's smooth and it's sweet, but not too sweet.
Yeah.
You said off camera it's kind of like apple butter, but
like
it's
apple
pumpkin
butter,
butter.
pumpkin butter.
Yeah.
That's a good
Very,
way.
very good.
Very good. Now I want to know how to make it.
Right?
So this is a
You said-
vegan patty melt that has October sauce on it.
October sauce. Mmm.
Here we go.
So pumpkin butter is a rich, spiced autumn spread made by simmering pumpkin puree with sugar, warm spices, and apple cider.
Oh, apple. You add the
That's why
apples,
it's
the
so
sweetness
good.
in there. Yeah.
Thick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Wow.
Mm-hmm. How's the
It's good,
patty
too.
melt?
It's good.
So then Mario ordered a second flight that with the opposite of hot and cold. So Cuddle Weather is iced on this one, and the Maple Forest is warm because we were wondering if maybe that would bring out some of the maple flavor.
Appreciate you.
We're really digging these little coffins that they bring out the tater tots and stuff into,
Yes, they're so
and the
cute.
fries. Oh yeah.
Coffin-sized portions. Needed for the house.
So how's cold Cuddle Weather?
It's just like it's just like a nice chocolate milk.
Mm-hmm.
It's really what-
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
It's more like a hot chocolate when you get the
Yeah.
warm one. So that's cool. Yeah.
Makes sense.
I feel like this is sweeter.
Sweeter?
Yeah.
It looks like chocolate milk.
Right?
Yeah.
Basically like a white chocolate milk.
I think I like it cold better.
Oh, wow.
That one's better cold. You still don't.
It's still pretty subtle with the hot maple. That's good though.
It is really good.
Yeah.
I think I still prefer the warm, but that is extremely good.
This is why
You
we
can almost-
did what we did.
You can almost taste more of like the fudge that they put in there.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Cold one.
I want to try this one cold. I mean, I want to try them all.
Going for the
PSL.
the cold
The
PSL.
cold PSL. Gotta mix in the cinnamon. That one's like way more coffee than that one.
Oh, okay.
Like
More
that's
coffee.
totally different. That's wild.
Nice.
I taste the pumpkin way more in that one.
Oh really?
Oh,
Yeah.
in the warm one?
Yeah.
Yeah, the cold is more coffee, less pumpkin.
Maybe that's why I like cold drinks better.
And now we're going for the warm
warm
VP
chai.
chai.
That's gotta be nice.
That's probably
Chai
very
warm is
spicy.
really nice.
Like,
That is, I like that one better than the cold.
Yeah.
okay.
Brings out more of the flavor.
Warm chai.
Warm chai.
Makes me want to read a scary book, and I don't even read books. That's really good. That's,
Last.
I actually prefer the warm too.
The warm, yep, warm chai.
Yeah. I mean that's just a really nice chai.
It
I
is.
love chai.
It's really good.
Going back for round two.
Didn't have a pumpkin on it like this one though.
Yeah.
And then the maple
He's still
forest.
in there.
Oh, he's still in
He's
there.
still there.
He's hanging on. We're gonna have to go for the warm maple forest now. Slightly more maple. Did the cold one have a coffee flavor for the maple forest?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the coffee's not a thing for this one. It's not as much. It's very mild.
Nice. I like this pesto.
Yeah, how's that sandwich?
The warmth suppresses some of the coffee bite.
I taste
Oh, yeah.
the maple in that one a lot more. Actually.
Yeah.
Over a pumpkin spice?
I'm a basic pumpkin spice latte biatch. And if I came in and had to order one of these, I would actually order the cold cuddle weather, which has no pumpkin. It was my favorite.
I actually might say my most flavorful one would have been the warm cuddle weather also.
The warm?
The warm cuddle weather.
This one over here.
It's probably the most flavorful, I thought.
Okay, and what are your two's favorites?
The VP chai, that one's hard to beat too.
I do like the chai in general. I like it both hot and ice, but I don't know. There was something about the hot chocolate one.
Ice version?
The ice. I really like that version.
Then here for this month, they had a Pride Flight.
For June. It is so cute.
What are they? Let's see. So we got Love, which is strawberry lemonade.
Let's try that one.
Family is a jasmine green tea with peach and mango. Community, lavender latte. And Pride is ube and vanilla latte.
That's an interesting color right there.
Yeah.
What is on that? Sprinkles?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lavender
Oh, yeah.
latte.
So
It's too small
the
for
strawberry is going to be the winner for this one, I think.
The strawberry?
The classic strawberry lemonade for you.
Very punchy,
Yeah, that's good.
like flavorful punchy.
Here, put the thing back on it.
All right, well, that is an amazing cafe. Highly recommended if you find yourselves out here kind of by the Chicago O'Hare Airport. This place, actually both locations are only about 15 minutes to the east of the O'Hare Airport, so definitely stop by here and give these guys a try if you're into the spooky stuff like we are. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you guys, if you want to see some more spooky spots like this, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We keep spooky stuff going all year round here on the channel, and our website has a haunted house finder on it, and that's where you can find more spooky spots just like this. And a special thank you to JT and Paul Lander from Hunters Against Hate. They're the ones that told us about this place, so if you come out to see them, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. Until next time, stay scary.